If you noticed on my last flight, this back leg fell off, but do not worry, I have repaired it. Good as new, with some electrical tape and approximately 1 metric buttload of hot glue. What a piece of crap! A friend of mine named Ron gave me this beautiful clock, handcrafted in China. And let me just tell you a couple of details about this thing. It's amazing. It's got these little hand things here, glass held securely in place. And it even has a couple of little extra features that are amazing. And when I'm using it, it really makes time fly. Let's go check out the aftermath. I'm gonna let Phil Swift narrate this one for me.
That's a lot of damage. How about a little more? No, that's a lot of damage.
Hey Ron, come clean up your crap. Subscribe or Pegasus will bite off your left pinky toenail tonight. Yummy.